Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art weather application using React.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, I will explain you, I'll teach you guys that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art weather application using React.js. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you the example so that we will get to know that today what we are gonna learn and today what we are gonna create in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example first and let me just explain the example. Let me just show you all the features of this example. Okay, so guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js. Okay, and guys, here we can see here one heading also, an awesome weather app with React.js and toast notifications. Okay, and guys, below we can see here one input field saying enter city name, and on the right hand side we can see one button also called get weather. Okay, so guys, in order to see weather conditions of any cities or any countries, guys, we have to enter this city name or the country name here, and then we have to hit this button get weather. Okay, then only we will be able to see the weather conditions of the respective city which you have searched here. Okay, so guys, now let me just search some cities name also, and let me just show you the weather conditions of the respective cities also, so that we will get to know that what is the functionality and what is the feature of this weather app. Okay, so guys, now let me just search few cities here also, and let me just show you the weather conditions as well. Okay, so first city I'm gonna search here Bengaluru. Okay, so I'll say here Bengaluru. Okay guys, either we can hit the enter or we can hit this button get weather in order to get the weather of the city Bengaluru. Okay, so guys, now let me just hit enter, and then we will be able to see the weather condition of this city Bengaluru. Okay, so hit it now, enter. So see, boom guys, you can see here now the weather condition of the city Bengaluru is here in front of us. Okay, so guys, the city name is Bengaluru and country is India. Okay, and guys, as of now the current temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, and the cloud is few clouds, humidity is 26%, wind speed is 3 meter per second, visibility is 8 kilometer. Okay, and feels like 28 degree Celsius. Okay, so guys, this is the weather of the city Bengaluru. Okay, so guys, the moment you will hit on this card, okay guys, the moment you will hit this card, you will be able to see a toast notification also saying the city is Bengaluru and country is India, and we will be able to see the temperature also in the toast notifications. Okay, so just hit here on this card anywhere. Okay, so hit it now. So you can see guys, this is the toast notification, and city is Bengaluru, country is India. Okay, and temperature is 30 degree Celsius. Okay, so we can dismiss this toast notifications also from here, okay, or it will be automatically disappeared after 6 seconds. Okay, so guys, this is the weather condition of the city Bengaluru, country is India. Okay, let me just search a few more cities here. So I'll say here Delhi. Okay, so this time I'm gonna hit this button, get weather. So hit it now. So you can see guys, the city is Delhi, okay, and country is India. So the temperature is 23 degrees Celsius. Okay, so condition is haze, humidity is 31%, wind speed is 3 meter per second, visibility is 3 kilometer, okay, and feels like 22 degree Celsius. Okay, so guys, this is the weather conditions of the city Bengaluru, country is India. Okay, so we can hit it, okay, anywhere on this card to see the toast notifications also. So I'm gonna hit it now. You can see Delhi, India, temperature is 23 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is the toast notification. Okay, so let me just search here Darbhanga. So hit it now. You can see here the city name is Darbhanga and country is India and temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. So this is my city. Okay, and condition is so guys, you can see here this is the all the like weather condition of the city Darbhanga. Okay, so the conditions is clear sky, humidity is 22%, wind speed is 4 meter per second, visibility is 10 kilometer, and feels like 26 degree Celsius. Okay, so let me just search here Pune. So hit enter. Okay, so guys, you can see here the city name is Pune and country is India. So the temperature is 34 degrees Celsius, conditions is few clouds, okay, humidity is 17%, wind speed is 3 meter per second, visibility is 10 kilometer, and feels like 31 degree Celsius. Okay, so let me just search here London. Okay, so hit enter. So you can see here the city name is London and country is Great Britain. Okay, so temperature is guys, you can see here only 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, and condition is overcast clouds. Okay, humidity is 89%, wind speed is 2 meter per second, visibility is 10 kilometer. Okay, and feels like 4 degree Celsius. Okay, so guys, whenever you will search, okay, any like random text or anything which is not a city name, which is not a country name, you will be able to see the error message also along with the image. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter any random text. Okay, so just hit enter. So you can see here 404, city not found, please try again. Okay, so guys, it is saying guys, you have to be very specific. Okay, you have to search the city name or you can search the country name here also, and based on that we will be able to see the weather conditions of the respective city or the country. Okay, so guys, this is very dynamic and this is very state of the art, okay, weather application I have built using React.js and toast notifications as well. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how we can create this kind of awesome state of the art and dynamic weather application using React.js and toast notifications as well. Okay, so guys, this is very dynamic. You can search guys any city name, any country name, no matter. Okay, but it should be a city name or country name. Okay, then only we will be able to get the weather conditions of that particular city or country. Okay, so you can search here Pakistan. You can see here the country is Pakistan and you can see here temperature is 12 degrees Celsius. Okay, condition is clear sky, humidity is 16%, wind speed is 3 meter per second, visibility is 10 kilometer, and feels like 9 degree Celsius. Okay, so guys, it is very very dynamic and very state of the art, okay, weather app. Okay, so guys, I can guys search any cities or any countries, but it is gonna take some time. Okay, so I hope guys you like get the idea. Okay, so what it is all about and what we are gonna learn in this video, in this session. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this kind of awesome state of the art weather app using react.js and toast notifications as well. Okay, with me er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build. Okay, so okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel code with er, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. And definitely guys, you will grow also professionally after watching my video, after watching my session. Okay, please guys, please, I need your help, I need your request, no, I need your support, I need your help guys. Okay, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my this YouTube channel code with er. Okay, please guys, help this brother, help this okay friend. Okay, consider me guys your friend, consider me as your brother, and I need your help guys, I need your support. And guys, you know only that how you are gonna help me. Okay, how you are gonna support me. Okay guys, you can only help me, you can only support me by subscribing to my this YouTube channel code with er, and by liking all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, I hope guys you will subscribe now and you will like this video also. Okay guys, your one subscriptions means a lot to me, a lot. Okay, and thank you guys. Okay, who has already subscribed to my this YouTube channel code with er, thanks a lot guys, thanks a lot, it means a lot to me. Okay, and thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel code with er. Okay, please guys, subscribe now and support me. Okay guys, you can see here I am putting a lot of hard work, I am putting a lot of hard efforts to create awesome videos for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, please guys, I need your help, I need your support. Okay guys, consider me your friend, consider me as your brother. Okay, and please guys support me now. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's build this awesome and state of the art weather app using react.js and toast notifications as well. Okay, so let me go to the code editor now. So create a new file. I'll give here the file name as a weather app in react.html. So save the file. Okay, so I'm going to create here first HTML structure. So I'll give the page title as well. So I'll say here code with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer. Currently guys, I am working as a ServiceNow developer at Happiest Minds Bangalore, and I have got more than 5 years of experience in software development. Okay, so guys, in order to work with this file, we need some CDN links also. So let me go to the example first and let me just copy the CDN links from there and we will just paste it here. Okay, so let me just copy these CDN links from here and let me just paste it here. Okay, so guys, let me just show you one more feature of the example. Okay, so guys, the moment you will hit this button, get weather, without putting anything in the input field, okay, then guys you will get the alert also that you have to give the valid city name or country name. Okay, so as of now you can see here I have not given here anything, so let me just hit the button get weather. Okay, so hit it now. So you can see here, oops, please enter a valid city name. Okay guys, you have to give the valid city name only, then only guys you will be able to get the weather of the respective cities. Okay, so okay, so guys here I'm gonna use here the switch alert to pop up as well. Okay, so just click OK. So just give here, you can give here Mumbai. Okay, so hit enter. You can see here the city name is Mumbai and country is India. So the temperature is 28 degrees Celsius, condition is smoke, humidity is 47 percent, wind speed 5 meter per second, visibility 4 kilometer, and feels like 28 degree Celsius. Okay, so guys you can see here we can guys search any city name, any country name, any district name. Okay, and it will give you guys the exact, okay guys, it will give you the exact and precise, okay, weather condition of that particular city, of that particular district name or the country as well. Okay, so guys just sit back, be relaxed, be calm, and guys watch something new and learn something new from this video, from this session. Okay guys, as you all know that my motto to create videos, okay, is just to give you the good knowledge, is just to teach you something unique, something great, okay, from my each and every video, from my each and every session. Okay, so guys here also today's like session also guys, from today's session also, my motto is to give you some awesome knowledge, to teach you something unique, to teach you something cool in React.js. Okay, so guys that's why guys I am asking you, I am requesting you guys, please guys support me, and please guys promote me by subscribing to my this YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, please guys, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, so guys just come to code now. Okay, so guys these are the serial links we need in order to work with this file. Okay, so guys just pause the video and you can go through the these serial links also. It is nothing but the serial links of, okay, you can see here this is the serial link for bootstrap.min.css. Okay, and this is the serial link for font awesome. This is the serial link for popper.min.js. This is the serial link for bootstrap.min.js. This is the serial link for react.development.js. This is the serial link for react.dom.development.js, and this is the serial link for babel.min.js. Okay, and this is the serial link for switch alert 2. Okay, so guys there is nothing any rocket science. Okay, it is just a serial links. Okay, I hope you know what these serial links are all about. Okay, so guys now I'm gonna first create here one container div or one parent div. Okay, this is also known as the view part. Okay, so just create here one container div. So give the id also, so give the id as a root. So close this div very quickly. I'm gonna create here one script tag also. So I'll say here script, close this. So we have to give here the type attribute also as a text slash babel. Okay, so we all know guys by now that why we specify here the type attribute. Okay, because we are using here the babel.min.js, so it is compulsory we have to specify here the type attribute as well. Okay, because we are using here the Syrian version of babel. Okay, and we all know that what babel is gonna do, it is gonna transpile our JSX back in javascript. Okay, normal javascript, then it is gonna be understood by our web browser javascript engine. Okay, so guys now this is it. I'm gonna create here guys one parent, or we can say here we are gonna create here one custom component. Okay, so I'll give the component name as is, I'll say here const, I'll give here weather, okay, equal to, I'm gonna use here the flat array function. Okay, so let me just return here all the things. So I'll say here return, okay, and just give here one parent or container div, we can give the javascript or jsx fragments as well. Okay, so give here the class container, class name container. Okay, give margin top 4 and give margin bottom also 4. So close this div. This is it. Okay, so first of all guys, I'm gonna create here one const. Okay, so I'll say here header, header uh, const. I'll say here header equal to, I'll say here welcome to react.js classes with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, okay, so close this. So guys, now first of all we have to mount our this react.js instance with our this html part or with our this view part. Okay, and we all know how we are gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna do it now. Okay, so I'll say here I'm gonna create here one const. I'll say here container. I'll say here document dot get element by id, and we have to specify here, we have to give here the id also, this id root. Okay, so copy it from here and paste it here, and we will just create another const. So const, I'll say here root equal to, I'll say here create. Okay, react dom dot create root. Okay, so guys, I'm very sorry for the background voices. Okay guys, if you feel guys my voice is too low, if you feel guys the audio of this video is too low, then please guys, please, okay, do use the headphone to listen to my voice, to listen to the audio of this video. Okay, please guys, do use the headphone. Okay, if you feel the audio is too low, okay, please guys, do use the headphone. Okay, so I'll just create here, I'll just give here this container to this function as a parameter. So I'll just say here root. Okay, so just say here root dot render. Okay, render, and we all know that what we have to render, we have to render here our custom component or our main or parent component. So this is our here, this is our parent component. Okay, so copy this weather and just paste it here, close this. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show this message on the screen. Okay, so we all know what we are gonna do. So just copy this header variable name from here, and I'm gonna create here another div, give the class name also as a text center. Okay, give margin top 3, give margin bottom also 3, and just close this div. I'm gonna create here h1 element. So h1, give the class name also as a h1 only, and just close this div, I mean this element. Okay, and just say here open and closing curly braces, and we have to put here this variable name header. Okay, so paste it here. Okay, so guys, now just save your file and dispose this port and just go live from here. So hit it. So guys, you can see here our code is doing great. Okay, so that's why we can see here the message also on the screen, welcome to react.js classes with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let me just copy this text also from here, and we will just create here another variable or the sub header. Okay, so I'll just say here const. Okay, I'll say here subtitle equal to, I'll just paste this text here. Okay, so just close this and just copy this entire things from here and just paste it below, and we will just replace this header with this subtitle variable name. Okay, so paste it here. So save your file, go to the browser, and you can see here an awesome weather app with react.js and toast notifications. Okay, so guys, now very quickly I'm gonna create this form element with this input, okay, and with this button also get weather. Okay, so just come to the code now, and very quickly I'm gonna create here the form also. Okay, so form, close this form very quickly. I'll just give here the class name also. I'll say here my form. Okay, so it will help. Okay, and I'm gonna give here another class text center. Okay, so just open this form. Okay, and very quickly I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, give the class name also as a input container. Close this div. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna create here one input field also. I'll say here input. I'll give the type also as a text. Give the class name also. I'll give you the class name also as a form control. Give here width 50 and give here the border also. Okay, give here the border also. Okay, so just close this first input field. Okay, so close it. Okay, so just say like this, and just give here the placeholder also. I'll say here placeholder, please enter, please enter city name. Okay, so please enter city name. Okay, and let me guys first of all create here we are gonna import something from the React library. Okay, so let me just import it first very quickly. So I'm gonna import here const. I'll say here uh, from where, from React. Okay, so close this. So I'll just use here strict mode also. So I'll say here strict mode, and I'll just use here the user state also. Okay, user state also. So use state. Okay, and let it be. Okay, so if we need more like I mean what can I say, the hooks, we can import it anytime. Okay, so copy this strict mode from here, and just first enclose this weather main app. Okay, and we all know why I'm gonna you all know guys that why I'm doing this. Okay, so just paste it here and close this. Okay, so close this. Okay, so just check first. Okay, so we got the error. Go to the inspect. So go to the inspect, go to console. Strict mode is not defined. Okay, so as of now it is saying that strict mode is not defined. So let me just import it outside. Okay, so it should be the global scope. So cut it out, and it should has okay global scope. So now paste it here above each and everything. Okay, so now save your file, and now go to the browser, and now we can see here it's working. So refresh the page. Okay, so you can see here the input field is here, but it is looking ugly, so we have to make it look like this. Okay, so just come to the code. Okay, and so inside this I'm gonna use here some state variables also, because we are using here the state user state hook also. So I'm gonna create here some state variables also. So I'll say here const. So and we will say here use state. Okay, so as of now let it be blank only, and just we will just say here city. Okay, and put comma, give a space, and we will say here set city. Okay, set city. Just copy this and just paste it here. We need couple of variables also, state variable. Okay, I'll just say here weather. Okay, and we will just say here set weather. Okay, set weather. Okay, so let it be as of now just give here null. Okay, or null. Okay, it is also blank, undefined. Okay, so use here the error. Okay, you can see here, give here error, and we will just say here set error. Okay, set error. Okay, let me just show you the error message also. So go to the example, you can see here, put any random text here, hit enter. You can see here city not found, please try again. Okay, so this error message we are gonna show also along with this image also. Okay, okay, so come to the code now, and this is it. Okay, so copy this, okay, city state variable from here and come to the input field. So we will give here the value. Okay, value like this, and we will just say here on change also. We will say here on change equal to, we will just use here event object e. Okay, and I'm gonna use here the filter function. So we will say here set. Okay, so copy this set. Okay, city. Okay, set city from here and just paste it here. We will just say here event dot target. Okay, event dot target dot value. Okay, event dot target dot value. So guys, okay, this means guys, okay, guys, this means, okay, this event dot target dot value means this input field only. Okay guys, we are talking about with this input field only, we are referring this input field only by saying event dot target dot value, which means this input field only. Okay, this input field only. Okay, and it is gonna handle on change. Okay, this set city gonna handle on change value. Okay, so let me just go to the example and just come here. So guys, we are changing the input field value. Okay, we are changing the input field value. We are searching city here like Pune, we are searching city here Bangalore, we are searching city here. Okay, Delhi. Okay, so guys, this change. Okay, this on change, guys, this change of this text, okay, or this value of this input field is gonna be handle. Okay, is gonna be handled by this on change method. Okay, and it says set city event dot target dot value, which means this input field only, we are referring this input field only. Okay, and nothing else. Okay, so okay, so I hope guys you are getting me, and you are, you know, like interested, and you are, you know, damn excited to learn this. Okay, because okay guys, I just want to teach you something new, something unique. Okay, from my each and every sessions. Okay, so now below this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so I'll just say here another div. I'll say here, I'll just give the class name also as a button container. Okay, button container. So just close this div. Okay, and open this div. Inside this div I'm gonna create here one button element also. So close this button. I'll give here the text also, get weather. Okay, I'll give the class also btn btn. I'll give here secondary. Okay, so just now just give here the type also. I'll give the type as a submit. Okay, so the type will be submit. So save your file, go to the browser, and you can see here the button is here. Okay, so let me just we have to write our some custom css also to make it look like exactly this. Okay, so come to the code. So just copy this div from here and paste it here. Okay, and just give class also some more class. I'll just give here div flex. I'll just give here flex row. Okay, and I'll just give here justify content center. Okay, so just save your file, go to the browser, and you can see here it is here. Okay, so we have to I guess remove, okay, this div from here. So just remove this div and save your file, go to the browser, and now we can see here. So we have to write our custom css also. So guys, let me just copy the css, okay, from the previous example, just to save a little bit of time. Okay, because guys, we are gonna learn here react and not html, but we need html here also, but the css guys, okay, we need css also here, but css is very minimal. Okay, it is not any rocket science, it is just a basic css and nothing else. Okay, so let me just go to the previous example. So let me just copy, okay, these, okay, style sheet or the css properties from here, and just come here in our code, and in the head section I'm gonna paste it. Okay, so just save your file and go to the browser, and you can see here now our button exactly look like this. Okay, so let me just give here the border class also to this button. Okay, so give here border class also. So border class, save your file and go to the browser. So let me just so say here btn, I'll say here border. Okay, so btn border, save your file, and let me just remove this border class. Okay, this is not required. So save your file, go to the browser, and now you can see here this is exactly looking like this. Okay, so guys, now we have created our form element also. So the moment guys anything will be enter here, so let me just show you something. Okay, so it is gonna give you the confidence also. So copy this city state variable from here, and just say here open and closing braces, so paste it city, save your file, go to the browser, and you can see here, we can see here the text. Okay, so let me just give here one br, or don't need to put here any br, just save here, paste it here. Okay, I'm gonna show you for the demo only. Okay, so you can okay, so just paste it here. Okay, so okay, so you can see guys, whatever we are going to write here in the input field, we can see here also. Okay, we can see here also, and let me just show you something. So let me just give here one method name also. So I'll say here on submit. Okay, on submit, so I'm gonna run here one method. Okay, so I'll say here handle, I'm sorry, handle submit. Okay, handle submit. Okay, so just copy this method name from here, and just above this return statement we are gonna define it now for you. Okay, for to show you something. Okay, so I'll say here like this, equal to, so it must have one event object also. So So I'll give here the event object like e. So I'm gonna use here the fetch function like this. So close this. Okay, so now we will just grab this. Okay, we will just grab this. So copy this set city from here and just say here, and we will just update this city state variable through this set city updater function. Okay, so we will just say here like this. Okay, so as of now, let me just show if it is gonna alert. Okay, so just show the alert. Okay, so just save your file, and I hope this will work. So put anything, hit enter. So you can see here as of now it is undefined. Okay, so as of now it is saying undefined. Okay, so we have to say here like this also. So event dot prevent. Okay, prevent default. So close this, and so as of now just remove this set city, and now save your file, and now just put here anything, hit enter. So okay, you can guys see here we are getting the text also. So click ok. So give here Patna, hit enter. You can see here Patna is being now allotted. Okay, here also Patna and here also Patna, so it is working. Okay, so just now remove this, we don't require this alert. Okay, so now as of now guys, just come here, and now we are gonna call here. So first of all, let me just check here. Okay, let me just check here this city. Okay, if it is blank or empty. Okay guys, if this input field is blank or empty, so we are gonna check it now. Okay, so just come here, and we will just say here that, okay, if we will say here if this city, okay, dot trim, I'm sorry, so trim, they are gonna trim the white spaces from the left and right of the string. Okay, so if it is empty, we will just alert here using the switch alert to pop up. Okay, so I'm gonna alert here. So I'll say here sol dot fire. Okay, sol dot fire like this. Close this, and we will just give here the return also. So I'll say here return false. Okay, so close this. So now so we don't want to proceed further, we don't want to go further if okay, if there is nothing inside this input field. Okay guys, there is no point to move further, to go further. Okay, so we will just stop here. We will say here return false. Okay, so I'm gonna just alert the user also that, okay, so I'll give here icon, I'll give here error. Okay, icon, I'll give here error, put comma, I'll give here the title also, give colon, I'll give here the title, I'll say here oops. Okay, and just put comma, I'll give here the text also, I'll say here please enter a valid, okay, city name. Okay, city name. Okay, so I'll just give here the width also. So I'll say here width of 20 em. Okay, so first put comma here. Okay, put comma. Okay, so save your file, go to the browser, and now try to hit enter without giving anything into the input field. Okay, so hit enter. You can see here it is gonna show you the switch alert to pop up. Okay, so it says this is the error icon, this is the heading. Okay, oops, please enter a valid city name. Okay, so we have to give here a valid city name, we have to be very specific. Okay, otherwise it will show you the error. Okay, it will say here for not for city or the country not found. Okay, so we have to be very specific. We have to give here the valid city or country name only, okay, in the input field. Okay, then on all, then only it is gonna work. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so our alert is being is doing great. Okay, so we can show the alert also to the user. Okay, so guys, now if everything is okay, if everything is cool, so we will run here another method. Okay, if suppose guys I'm sorry, if suppose guys user has given here some valid city name, okay, like Patna, like Pune, okay, like Delhi, okay, like Delhi. So if the city name is valid, so we will show the, okay, we will show the I mean the city weather conditions as well. Okay, we have to show here the city weather conditions as well. Okay, if the city name is valid. Okay, so for that we have to write here, we have to execute here one method. Okay, so I'm gonna give here the method name. Okay, so we will define it. So I'll say here fetch, okay, fetch weather. Okay, fetch weather, and we will just give here this city. Okay, because this is the city we are gonna get. Okay, I showed you also, let me just show you one more time. Okay, so this is the city, guys, this is the city we are gonna get it from here, from this input field, and then based on this we are gonna show it. Okay, like I showed you, let me just show you one more time. I'll give here the Patna, hit enter. You can see here city name is Patna, country is India, temperature is 26 degrees Celsius, condition is haze, humidity is 29%, wind speed 4 meter per second, visibility 5 kilometer, and feels like 26 degrees Celsius. Okay, so if the city name is valid, okay, so we have to grab this also, we have to take this also. So just remove this city from here, we don't require this. Okay, so we will just run this method fetch weather. Okay, so I'm gonna define it now. Okay, so copy this method name from here and come on top of this. I'm gonna create here one const. So I'll say here const like this. Okay, so give equal to, I'm gonna use here the fat order function. So close this. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna define this method. Okay, fetch weather. Okay, so guys, just be calm and be relaxed. Okay, and watch guys, something new, something unique. Okay, here. Okay, so so guys, now I'm gonna use here the async method also. Okay, so I'll say here, I'll give here the keyword also async. Okay, async, so we have to use here the await keyword also. So guys, this is the keyword. Okay guys, we are waiting for here the, okay, response or the rejection. Okay guys, if our, okay, promise is resolved, okay, if we get the response from the server, then we will show the result to the user. If our promise is rejected, okay, if we don't get any response from the server, we will also get the error, okay, message, okay, to show the user. So that's why I'm gonna use here the async and await. Okay, it is guys kind of, okay, promise. Okay, like promises guys. Okay, if it is resolved, we will get the response. If it is rejected, we will get the error message. Okay, so that's why we are gonna use here the async and await keyword. Okay, to make our function synchronous. Okay guys, we use async, okay, keyword to make our function asynchronous, or we can say asynchronous. Okay, to wait, okay, for some response, to wait something for happen, to wait something to be executed. Okay, if it is executed correctly, or if it is executed without any error, we will get the response, we will get the result. If it is executed with error, okay, then also we will get the result, then also we will get the response from the server, okay, in the form of response like error object. Okay, so now we are gonna say here, so I'm gonna create here one const. I'll say here const, I'll say here API key. Okay, so I'll say here double quotes, put comma. Okay, so let me just go to the example to copy my API key. Okay, so guys, this is my API key. Okay guys, I'm requesting you guys, please guys, don't use it. Okay, just go here and try to generate your own API key, try to create your own API key. Okay, so just paste it here. Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna use here the uh, okay try and catch block. Okay, so I'm gonna create here another const. I'll just see here API. Okay, API u API URL. Okay, so let me just give here the URL also. So let me just copy the URL from the example only. So copy this URL. Okay, so copy this URL and just put here backtick. Okay, so let me just paste it here. I'm sorry. So guys, this is the city. Okay guys, this is the city. Okay, we are gonna grab it. Okay, city, and this is the API key. Okay, let me just go to this URL for you. Okay, so let me just go to this URL. So just create here one tab, paste it here. So remove this API from here and hit enter. Okay, so guys, this is the okay, so guys, this is the open weather API I am using here in my this application. Okay, so guys, you can see here, let me just show you the my city Bangalore weather condition right now. Okay, and we will match with our application as well. Okay, so let me just search here Bangalore first, Bangalore, hit enter. So as of now, you can see here it is showing 29 degrees Celsius. Okay, temperature of Bangalore, country India. So search here also, I'll say here Bangalore, hit enter. You can guys see here it is also showing the same temperature, 29 degrees Celsius, and this is the weather open weather API or the website, and this is what our app is. Okay, 29 degrees Celsius here also it is showing, and here also it is showing 29 degrees Celsius. Bangalore, country is India. Okay, you can see here feels like, okay, you can see here feels like 20 degrees Celsius, scattered clouds. Okay, and gentle breeze. Okay, you can see here humidity is 28%. You can come here, you can see here humidity is 28%. Okay, and you can see here dew point 8 degrees Celsius, and you can see here visibility is 8 kilometer per second. You can see here visibility is also 8 kilometer per second. Okay, and you can see here UV is 1. Okay, so I have not shown here the UV. Okay, if we want we can show the UV also. We can show anything, any data whatever we are getting from this API, we are fetching from this API. Okay, so guys, this is the API, this is the like API I'm using here in my sorry in my application also to create the state of the art weather app in react.js. Okay, so I'll give you the URL in the descriptions. Okay, you can just go here, you can just read the documentation also. Just come here and create your own API, and guys, you are free to test it, you are free to use it for your personal use. Okay, but it is not allowed, okay, to use this API, okay, in your professional or in your production app or in your enterprise app. Okay, you have to buy the license for that. Okay, so it is free for your testing. Okay, for your personal use it is free. If you have to use the API for the enterprise, for the your client, okay, you have to buy the APIs from here. Okay, then only you are free to use it, okay, in your app, in your applications. Okay, so this is open weather API I'm gonna use here to create this like a weather app in React. Okay, so just come to the code now. So now just below Okay, below this I'm gonna create here try catch block. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna use here the try catch block. Okay, so try, and okay, and now here I'm gonna use here the catch block to catch the error. Okay, so it guys it has one more block known as the finally. Okay, so guys this try catch block has one more block known as the finally, so we don't require here. Okay, if it is required, I will definitely explain you. If it is unnecessary, I'm not gonna okay invest my time to explain you bullshit things. Okay, okay, if it is required, I will definitely guys explain you. Don't worry, and be calm and be patient, and guys just try to watch the entire video. Guys don't try to skip the video, don't try to fast forward the video. Otherwise, if you will miss something, you will miss each and everything from this video, from this session. And guys, at the end you will end up losing your time, losing your energy, and you will just scratch your head that I didn't get anything from this video, from this session, and I lose my time as well. Okay, so guys time is very precious, time is very important. Okay, just watch the video very carefully, because guys it's my promise, it's my guarantee. Guys, I give you my word also that definitely guys you will learn something unique, something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay, so just sit back, be calm, be relaxed, and guys definitely guys you will learn something new, something unique today. And guys, whenever you will go to sleep at night, you will thank yourself that yeah, I have learned something new, something unique from this video, from this session. Okay, okay, so just come now. I'll just say here that I'm gonna create here one const also. So I'll say here const. Okay, I'll just say here response. Okay, I'll say here response equal to, I'll say here await keyword. Okay, because we are using here the async okay keyword, so we have to use here the await keyword also to wait. Okay, if our promise is resolved, we will get the response. If our promise is rejected, we will also get the response from the server in the error message object. Okay, so that's why we have to use here the await keyword to wait. Okay, so I'm gonna use here await. I'm gonna say here fetch method, I'm gonna say, and I'll just pass here this API URL, okay, as the parameter to this fetch function or method. Okay, so put close this. So now we will just check. Okay, so let me just guys first of all let me just show you one thing. Okay, so let me just finish this catch method also. So I'm gonna catch here the error. Okay, so I'm gonna catch here the error. Okay, if it is so, we will just say here this. Okay, set error message. So we will just set here the set error message. So we will just say here that okay city not okay not found, city not found. Okay, I'll just say here please enter a valid, okay, please enter a valid city name. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and we will just say here set weather. Okay, we will just set weather again null. Okay, okay, so we will just say here set weather, and we will again set it null. Okay, so we will give here null. Okay, if guys there is nothing in the if you can see here, if set error has the like you can, I mean value city not found, please enter a valid city name, which means our weather is not fetched. Okay, so we will again set this. Okay, state variable set weather to null. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, as of now let me just see something, let me just show you something. So let me just console dot log here. If let me just see if this is working or not. Okay, so copy this response from here and just paste it here, save your file, and just this is just the testing purpose. Okay, so go to the console. Okay, so hit this. Okay, so we have to put here something. Let me just so width. Okay, it's small w. So hit enter. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now search here Delhi. Okay, so hit enter, and if see this is for the just testing purpose. Okay, so hit this get weather. So you can see here reference error, API is not defined. Okay, you can see here in the promise, you can see here uncaught in promise. Okay, reference error, API key is not defined. Okay, so API key is not defined, so just that's what I want to check. Okay, so okay, so just so now again open the console, go to console and search here Patna, hit enter. Yeah, you can see guys, you can see here we got the response. Guys, you can see here we got the response. Okay, this is the body, this is the body used. Okay, false, and this is the header. Okay, so you can see here the status code is okay. Okay, you can see here status, okay, status text is okay, and you can see here it is also okay. So status is 200, which means it is saying okay. Okay, it is saying okay, so we are getting the data, we are getting the response from the server. Okay, so just open this header. Okay, so okay, so guys, we are getting the response from the server. You can see here status is 200 and status text is also okay. Okay, and you can see here this is also okay, true, which means we are getting the response from the server. Okay, so just come to the code now, and this is it. So remove this console, we don't require this, or let it be here, we will need it later on. Okay, so now we are gonna check here if. Okay, we are gonna check here if. Okay, so okay, so as you can see here this response, okay, this response dot okay equal to is true, which means we are getting the response. Okay, this response dot okay is equal to true, which means we are getting the response from the server. Okay, and sorry guys for the background voices. Okay, so I'll just say here, so we will just check here if. Okay, we will say here if response dot text, or we can say here response dot okay. Okay, response dot okay is true. Okay, response dot okay, so if it is true, we will just execute here our another method. Okay, so we will just say here I'm gonna create here const, I'll just create here const, and I'll just say here data equal to, we will again use here a wait keyword. Okay, we will wait for the data, and we will say here response. Okay, response, this response guys. Okay, this response, not here guys, not here, so just cut it out, and I already wrote here if. Okay, so here, okay, so if this response, okay, we will wait for the resolve. Okay, so response dot json. Okay, response dot json to convert the javascript object. Okay, back in json. Okay, so if it is okay, so we will just use here this set weather, copy this updater function set weather, and we will just use here set weather equal to, we will set it with this fetched data. Okay, so paste it here, and we will just say here I'm gonna now console.log it. Okay, so console.log, and we will just log the data. Okay, we will just log the data, and which means everything is okay. So we will just set this error message also to null. Okay, so set this error message to null, because we are getting here each and everything okay as it is. There is no error, there is no any I mean, what can I say, the yeah, then there is no any error. So we will just set here the set error message to null. Okay, or the blank or the empty string. So save your file, go to the browser, and now just put here Pune, hit enter. So now we can see here guys, we are getting the all the required data. Okay, so open this main. Okay, so you can see here feels like this. Okay, humidity is this, pressure is this. Okay, sea level is this, temperature is this, temp max is this, temperature mean is this. Okay, city name is Pune. You can open this sys also. So country is India, sunrise at this time, sunset at this time. Okay, so time zone is this. Open this weather. Okay, open this wind also. So you can see here, you can see here description few clouds. Okay, icon is this, id is this, and main is clouds. Okay, so you can see here gust is this, speed is this, degree is this. Okay, so guys, this is the data we are getting. And now we will just use okay, we will just pick. Okay, useful data. We will just pick useful information from here, and we will just put it here in a card, in a component. Okay, so just come now, because I showed you we are getting all the responses, all the data, okay, from the server. Okay, and we have to just pick, okay, the useful information from here. We have to just sort it out, and we have to just choose some useful information to show to the user. Okay, you can see here all the information is not required to be seen by the user. We have to just show the I mean, what can I say, relevant data or the important data to the user only. Okay, they don't need to see all the data. Okay, as it is no use for them. Okay, okay, so that's why we will just show the required data to the user. Okay, so come to the code now. So close this and come to the code now. And now we will just create here. So first of all, let me just give here the, I'm gonna create here. Okay, so I'm gonna create here just below this our, I'm gonna create here one div also. So I'm gonna create here one div. Okay, so okay, so first of all, let me just show here the error message also. Okay, so let me just show here the error message also. Okay, so inside below this div, I'm gonna create here another div. I'll give the class name also as a I'm sorry, text center. So close this div. Okay, and now I'm gonna just use here this error state variable also to check it. Okay, so we will just show here. So I'm gonna use here the guys react.js conditional rendering. Okay guys, this kind of rendering is known as the conditional rendering in react.js. And guys, it is very famous in React. Okay guys, whenever you will develop, okay, any state of the art application or website using react.js, then guys, you will definitely guys come across this kind of, okay, code. Okay, the conditional rendering in react.js. Okay, so I'm also gonna use here the conditional rendering. So we'll say here this. Okay, if this is error. Okay, if this error message is set, okay, we will show the error also. So on the right hand side we will just show the error. Okay, so like this. Okay, so we will just say here, I'm gonna create here another div here inside this. So create a div, give the class name also, close this div. So error is gone. Give the class name also. I'll give here the I can give here, or let me just copy this from the previous example. Okay, so copy this things from the example only because so just copy this. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay, so I'll explain you. So you can see, okay, not okay. So as you can see here, if weather is not set, okay, if error message is there, if city is not set, okay, then we will show this image. Okay, we will show this image. Okay, so just come here and let's just see the output first. Okay, so you can see here this image is here also, and refresh this page also, so you can see here this image is also here. So whenever you will search any city, okay, it will be disappeared. Okay, like here also, so put anything, so it is gone. Okay, so put here Delhi, so it is gone. Okay, so like this also we will say here. So come to the code now, and below this div, okay, below this div I am gonna create here our another div. Okay, so okay, so just say here, if this weather is set. Okay, if this weather is set, so come here, come to the code and just paste it here. If this weather is set, okay, and we will just say here this. Okay, so guys, this is known as the conditional rendering. Okay, so if this weather is set, we will just say like this, create a div inside this, give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a card. Okay, and I'll just give you a call lg. I'll give you a 5. I'll give you mx auto. I'll give you the p4 also, padding 4. I'll give you the shadow lg. Okay, give you the shadow lg, and just close this div. Okay, just close this div, and go little up, and inside this div I'm gonna create here. So okay, so let me just so let me just create here h2 element first. Okay, h2, and close this h2 very quickly. Give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a give here h2 only class name. Okay, so just now open this, and now if this, okay, so you can see here the set weather has been updated by this data which we are getting from the server, and we are updating this weather. Okay, this weather set variable, okay, through this set variable. Okay, and we are setting this weather with this data which we are getting here. So now just come here, and we will just say here that, okay, so we'll just say here weather. Okay, you can see here, let me just go to the console. So just come here to the console, put here Delhi. Okay, so hit enter, go to the console. Okay, so just come here, we will just open this. Okay, so you can see here, come to the weather. Okay, so come to this weather, open this. So we will just say here weather dot, okay, we will say here weather dot name. Okay, you can see here to show the name. Okay, like Delhi, I have searched here Delhi, so you can see here here is the also name Delhi. Okay, so we will just use here, okay, we will just use here this weather. Okay, this weather is now an object. Okay guys, this weather, okay, this weather is now an object because we are updating this weather state variable using this set weather updater function with this data. Okay, because this data is an object. Okay, so which means this weather will be an object as well. Okay, so just now we will just say here that weather, we will just say here weather, okay, we will just say here weather dot name. Okay guys, we will just say here this name. Okay, so let me just search here Pune. Okay, so you can see here we got the Pune. Okay guys, Pune is very small. Okay, so let me guys just give here the default value, so we don't have to give here anything for the demo purpose. Give here Goa. Okay, so for the demo purpose I have just given here the default value Goa. Okay, so hit enter Goa, you can see here the Goa. Okay, So you can see here the name is Goa. Okay, okay, because we are getting the object, okay, from the server. And you can see here I have shown the Goa name also. So I'm given here the default, okay, Goa. So now we will just say here weather dot name to show the name of the search city. Okay, and we'll just give here comma. We will again say here weather. Okay, we will again say here weather dot, we will just say here sys. Okay, we will just say here sys dot country. Okay, we will just say here sys dot country to show the country. Let me just show you. So just hit enter. Okay, so open this. So you can see here, go to this sys, open, you can see here country is India. Okay, so we will just say here weather dot sys dot country to get the country India. Okay, so this is what I can see here. So city is Goa, country is India, so we are getting it. Okay, like this also. Just search here Pune. Okay, you can see here city is Pune, country is India. So we will just show all the other details as well. Okay, so come to the code now. Okay, so come to the code now, and let it be here. Okay, so let me just define here the inline styles also. I'll say here like this, it is a JavaScript object, so that's why we have to give here double open and closing curly braces. Okay, so we will just give here font, or we can just write here only. Okay, so I will say here we can't, guys. Okay, just for the, okay, so I'll say here font family. Okay, font family, I'll say here uh, Poppins, Poppins and sans serif. Okay, Poppins and sans serif. Okay, and sans serif. Okay, put comma. We will give here the font weight also. So I'll say here font weight, put colon. We will give here the 700, put comma. We will give here the font size also, font size. Okay, we will give here font size of uh, 2 rem. Okay, put comma. I'll give here the text. Okay, text shadow also of I'll give here text shadow. Okay, so I'll give here 1px, 2px, 3px and 30px. I'll use here the RGBA value. Okay, like this 0 comma 0 comma 0 0.3. Okay, so give space. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so just save your file and go to the browser, hit enter. So you can see, okay, so font box shadow, so I'll say here 0. Okay, 0. So hit enter. So you can see here now it is looking cool. Okay, so now okay, so guys, now I'm gonna define another things. Okay, like just come here. So I'll say here Pune. Okay, so we will just show this image also and the temperature also. So come to the code now, and just I'm sorry guys for the background voices. Okay, so we will just say here that just see the example. So I got confused. Okay, so okay, so this is this div. Okay, so give here, so copy this div. Okay, and just come here and paste it, and just close this. Okay, and just open this div, and okay, so uh, let me just copy this div and just paste it here below this div. Okay, so let me just explain you. Okay, so guys, this is the image. Okay, the icons we can show see here, guys. Let me just search here Delhi. So guys, this is the icon. Okay, this is the icon. So this is the icon we are fetching here from also. So we are just getting it from the API. Okay, from the API only we are getting it. Okay, so hit enter. So just open this. You can see here we are getting the icon also. So just open this main, not this main, open this sys. Okay, open this weather, this. Okay, you can see here, guys, this is the icon. Okay, so we are just using this icon only, this icon code only, and we are just creating the image. Okay, you can see here, this is the URL for the icon. Okay, and this is the alt. Okay, descriptions I have shown here, and this is the style. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and this is the math dot round. Okay, so we are just rounding the temperature. Okay, to the nearest, okay, whole number. Okay, so to the, or we can say here, to the nearest number also. So it won't show 2.2, it will show 2. Okay, it won't show 3.3, it will show 3. Okay, it won't show 7.8, it will show 8. Okay, so that's what, okay, I have used here. Okay, math weather dot main dot temp. Okay, inside the math dot round. Okay, you can see here math dot round. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now just we'll just show here all the details also. So like temperature conditions, okay, humidity, okay, all these things we will show here. So come to the code now, and then now we will just say here. Okay, so now let me just copy. Okay, so copy this div, because it is very huge. Okay, and paste it here. So you can see here I have just shown all the things you already you. Okay, I'm just trying to populate, okay, in the h1, h5, h3, h4 elements only. Okay, so this is the temperature. Okay, I'm sorry. So let me just, okay, so this is the conditions. Okay, weather dot weather descriptions. Okay, let me just show you the descriptions also. So hit enter. Okay, so you can see here, just open this. Okay, you can see here, go to the weather. Okay, you can see here, open this. You can see here weather dot weather, and this is the array, and this is the zeroth element. Okay, so we will just give here like, okay, weather dot weather zeroth element. Okay, and we are gonna show the description. Okay, so that's why we can see here the descriptions. Okay, scattered clouds. Okay, you can see here weather dot weather, and this is the zeroth element, and it contains descriptions, it contains icon, it contains id also, it contains main also, clouds. Okay, so okay, so we can just show the main also. Okay, so if we want, we can show the main also. So let me just copy. Okay, let me just copy this and put comma here only, and we can say here the main. Okay, and just save your file, go to the browser, hit enter. you can see here guys, you can see here the clouds. Okay, you can see, let me just open this. I'm sorry, open this. You can see here now the main is clouds. Okay, you can see here also clouds. Okay, so now, and let me just show you the wind speed also. So come to the console, open this object. Okay, and just come here wind. Okay, you can see here wind speed is, okay, as of now is 4 meter per second. Okay, so let me just okay, so you can see here we are just showing here this wind. Okay, this 4, and we are using here the math dot random method also. So you can see here wind speed. Okay, math dot round weather dot wind dot speed. You can see here this speed guys. Okay, 3.99. So that's what it is showing here 4. Okay, because we are using here the math dot round. Okay, and I explained you, if it is 5.8, if it is 5.9, if it is 5.7, then it will show 6. Okay, if it is 3.4, if it is 3.5, if it is 3.2, then it will show 2. Okay, it will show 3. Okay, so this is the function of math dot round. Okay, so you can see here visibility also, weather dot visibility, and we are just to convert it into km, we are dividing it by 1000. Okay, so come here, so you can see here the okay, so wind speed, you can see here, so wind speed is here. Okay, so let me just as of now just remove this. Okay, let me just show you the actual value. Okay, so save your file, go to the browser, and just hit enter. Okay, so you can see here the you can see here. Okay, so let me just okay, so visibility I have shown here. So come here, you can see here visibility is 0. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so visibility is already in km, so we have to convert this, okay, into kilometer. So just control Z. Okay, by divided by 1000, and we will get in kilometer. Okay, so save your file, go to the browser, so just hit enter. So this is what we can see here, visibility 10 kilometer, wind speed is 4 meter per second, humidity is 14 like 44 percent. Okay, you can see here, go to the humidity, go to the humidity. You can see here humidity is here. Okay, so if we want, we can show the UVs also. You can see here, like here it is showing the UVs also. If we will have the UV data also, we can show the UV data also. Okay, so let me just check if it is there or not. Okay, you can see here coordinates. Okay, latitude and longitude. Okay, so let me just see if UVs is here or not. Okay, so 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 let me just check, is it showing the so okay, so guys here there is no any UV, so we can't show it. Okay, so okay, so guys now we will just style it. Okay, so we will just style it. Okay, so we will just make it look cool. Okay, so just come here, and now inside this card. Okay, so we will just give here the style also, inline style also we will give here to this card. Okay, So just come here, open this, and we will just give here, I'll say here style, double open and closing braces, and we will just give here the style also. Okay, so inline style we are gonna give here. So I'll give here the border radius. Okay, border radius of 20 px. I'm sorry, give comma, we will just say here that background color. Okay, background color, we will just give here the, let me just copy the background color from there only. So copy this background color. Okay, so this is a linear gradient. Okay, so copy this and just paste it here, and we will just put comma, give here the color also. I'll give here color white FFF, put comma, I'll give here the box shadow also. So I'll say here box shadow like this, put colon, we will give here the 0. Okay, 0 and 8 px, we will give here the 30 px. I'll give here RGBA value, we will say here RGBA value also. So we will give here the 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma, I'll give here 0.2. Okay, put comma, we will give here the transitions also. So copy these transitions from the example only, because copy this and just paste it here. So save your file and now hit enter. So background color, what it is, background color, let me guys just check here. So okay, just give here background, just give here only background, save your file and now hit enter. Okay, so we can see here like this, hit Goa, you can see here Goa, and just here also we can see. So let me just give here I can give here the margin top also 5, save your file, hit enter. Okay, so it's here, say here Delhi. Okay, hit enter. So this is what example. Okay, so guys, this is the example and this is what we have made. Okay, so as of now you can see here it is showing the notifications also. Okay, so we will show here the notifications also. Okay, so come to the code now and we will just show the notifications also. So okay, so let me just show here the error message also. So come here and I'm sorry, so we will just show here the error message as well. Okay, so we will just show here the error message as well. So just copy this. Okay, error message from here and so it is showing this image. So paste it here. So just remove this. So if error message, we will show the error message as well. Okay, so so we will show here the error message also. You can see here, we will show here the error message as well. So let me just check what is the issue. So okay, so cut this out, and we will just paste it in below this, inside the form only. Okay, so below this div, so this is it. Okay, so now we will just say here error message. Why error message is not showing? So let me just check here. So error message, we have to check here what is the issue. So just or we will say here else. Okay, so we will just say here else block also. Okay, we will just say here else block also. So we will just copy this set error. Okay, and here we will just set the error, then only we will get the error message. Okay, so we will just say here city. Okay, city not found. Okay, city not found, please. Okay, please try again. Okay, and now we will just say here the set weather. Okay, set weather, we will just give here the null. Okay, set weather, we will just give here the null because there is nothing, so we have to set here the null value also. So now save your file, go to the browser, and now hit any random text. So you can see here, boom guys, you can see here now 404 city not found, please try again. Okay, so now just say here I'm not getting guys any city name. Okay, so I'll just say here England. Okay, England, hit enter. You can see here England, country is US. Okay, and the temperature is 12 degrees Celsius, conditions is clear sky, clear. Okay, humidity is 96%, wind speed is 5 meter per second, visibility is 10 kilometer, feels like 12 kilometer. Okay, so as of now whenever I'm clicking on this, nothing is gonna happen. Okay, but here here we can see the toast notification is shown whenever I'm gonna click any. Okay, so search here Patna, hit it. So you can see here Patna, India, 26 degrees Celsius. So we will show the toast notification also. So for that I have already used here guys the popper.min.js. Okay, and this is the toast notification, and this is the bootstrap toast notification. You can see here bootstrap.min.js. So we are gonna use the bootstrap. Okay, popper toast notifications. Okay, so just come here to the code. Okay, and now we will just define here another method. Okay, so on click of this, let me just on click of this card only guys. Okay, on click of this card only, we will just define a method. You can see here on click of card only, we will just show this toast notification. Okay, on click of this card only it is happening. Okay, you can see I'm clicking on the card, then only it is happening. Okay, not anywhere on the white area, nothing is gonna happen unless you will click this okay card. Okay, then only the notification is gonna be shown. Okay, so hit it. You can see here notification is shown. Okay, so search any other city name, I'll give here Bhopal, I'm sorry. So Bhopal, India, 30 degrees Celsius. Hit enter. You can see Bhopal, India, 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, on click of this, it is happening. Okay, so it is happening on click of this card. Okay, see like this, Bhopal, India, 30 degrees Celsius. So come to the code now. So we will just define here one method also on this card only. Okay, so just come here. So this is the div, guys. Okay, this is the div. So we'll just say here on uh, click. Okay, on click, just say here, I'll just give here the fat order function like this. Okay, and I'll just say here show. Okay, show alert. Okay, and we will just pass this weather. Okay, object. Okay, we will just pass this weather object entirely. Okay, so copy this weather object and just uh, I'm sorry, just passed it here. Okay, and just copy this method name and just here below this method I'll just define here one const. So paste it, so give equal to like this. I'm gonna use here the factor function. So just close this, and as of now let me just alert something, normal javascript alert. Okay, so I'll say here alert. Okay, so we'll just say here let me just show here something for you. Okay, so we will just say here uh, so we will just say here, let me just show the entire object only if it is gonna be allotted. Okay, so save your file, go to the browser and just hit enter, hit anywhere on this card. So you can see here we are getting the object. Okay, so click OK. So just say here weather dot name. Okay, so save your file, go to the browser, hit enter, and now hit anywhere on this card. You can see here weather dot name Goa is shown. Okay, so weather dot name Goa is shown. Okay, so guys, instead of guys this toast notification, guys, if we want we can use the sweet alert 2. Okay guys, instead of this toast notification we can show the sweet alert 2. Okay, all the things we can show. Okay, so just guys show all the things in the sweet alert 2 only. Okay, okay, so just come here and just copy this. Okay, just copy this alert and just paste it here, and we will just say here the city name like this. Okay, let me just open the first. Okay, so let me just open this sweet alert. So open this sweet alert, go down, let me just see which we can use, not this. So try this. So let me just check, guys. Okay, so we can use, guys, okay, this only. Okay, so there is a footer also, so we can use this only. Okay guys, we can just use this only. Okay, so copy this and just paste it here. Okay, so let me just bring it okay, so we'll just give here the here we can give here HTML. So I'm gonna show the name, so I'll just use here the string interpolation. So backtick. Okay, backtick like this, and we will just say here weather dot name. Okay, weather dot name. So just comment this alert, save your file, go to the browser and just hit enter. Hit anywhere on this card, you can see Goa. Okay, so the name is shown Goa. Okay, so just make this icon as a success. Okay, success. So hit. Okay, so icon is success. Okay, so I'm sorry guys for the background voices. Okay, so we will just show here the uh, like we can just show here the other things also. So we can just show here the weather.sys.country. Okay, so weather .sys.country. Okay, so we will just say here weather.sys.country to show the country. Save your file, go to the browser, hit enter, hit anywhere on the card. You can see here city is Goa, country is India. Okay, so we will just show all the things also. I'm sorry. So let me just see. Okay, hit Delhi, and delete it, just bring it here. Okay, so we will show the temperature also on the sweet alert. So just come here. So as of now, let's just bring each and everything in the same line. So okay, so we will just show all the things also. So we will just say here the temperature. Okay, so we will just show here the temperature also. So we will just show here temperature. Okay, so say here temperature, temperature. Okay, so we will just say here that copy this temperature from here. Okay, so temperature, just copy it from here and just so just say here this, paste it. So okay, so save your file, go to the browser, hit enter and hit this. So you can see here temperature is shown here. Okay, 29 degrees Celsius. So let's just make it H4, make it H4. Okay, H4. So copy this and just replace this and just replace this also. So we will show here the conditions also. So we will just say here conditions, condition. Okay, so like this, give a space. I will show here the humidity also. So humidity, copy this and paste one more time, paste one more time, and I will show here the wind speed also. So we will just say here wind speed. I'll just show here the visibility also. So we will just show here the visibility also and paste one more time, and I'll just give comma, give comma, give comma, and I'll say here feels like. Okay, so feels like. So hit enter, hit it, you can see here. So this is it. So just to remove this comma, so just remove this thumb down. Hit enter, hit it. So you can see here this is it. Okay, so let me just check guys if there is anything more. So we have to bring it in the same line. What we have to do here, we have to do like this. Hit enter, hit it. Okay, so now you can see here temperature and the value in a same line. Okay, so we will just do with the rest also like this. So we have to remove this conditions. Okay, so let me just replace the value first. Okay, so I'll just say here copy this for the condition. Okay, for the condition just paste it. Okay, so paste it, just remove this degree and Celsius and humidity. So just come down, and for the humidity we will just say here weather dot main dot humidity, and we will just give the percentage sign also. So just like this, and we will give here the percentage sign also. And for the next one, wind speed, we will just copy this and we will just paste here wind speed. Okay, so like this. Wind speed, what is the so it's a meter per second. Okay, so meter per second. Okay, so visibility, so for the visibility copy this and just paste it here for the visibility. So paste it here, and for the feels like, so that this is last one for the feels like. So just come here and just replace with this. Okay, so just now cut this out and paste it here. So cut this out and just paste it here. I'm sorry guys. So cut this out and just paste here, and cut this out and just paste here. Save your file and now hit enter. Hit anywhere on this card. So you can see guys, you can see here the city is Goa, country is India, temperature is this. Okay, condition is NaN. Why guys condition is NaN? What is the issue guys? Condition, so condition so now check it one more time, hit it. Okay, so you can see here, so the condition is scatter clouds, humidity is 44%, wind speed is 4 meter per second, visibility is 10 kilometer, feels like 29 degrees Celsius. We can see here great. Okay, and we can just press the cancel also, it will be gone. Okay, so just search here mm, Bihar, hit enter. Okay, so you can see here it's, I guess, Bihar. Okay, so see here Patna. You can see here Patna, country is India, 26 degrees Celsius. You can see here Patna, country is India, temperature is this. Okay, condition is this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let me guys check one more thing. Okay, so go to the bootstrap. Okay, go to the bootstrap and go to ul. Okay, go to ul, list item, list item. Yeah, we can see here the list item. Okay, so let me just check something guys. Okay, I am doing this for the some purpose guys. Okay, for some purpose I am doing it. So just copy this. Okay, and just come here. So as of now just remove this. Okay, and paste it here. So just save your file, go to the browser and hit enter here. Okay, so we can see here it is like this. Okay, so we will just use this. Okay, so we will just use this. First control Z, first control Z, and just here. Here paste it, and very quickly we will just fix it, don't worry. So we will just fix it. So just cut this out and just paste it here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so just copy this h4, or just copy this entire things. Okay, and just replace here. Okay, so inside the li only we will just use li. Okay, so just cut this entire thing and just paste it here. Okay, so we will just use the li only. So cut entire things and just paste here. It will look good. Okay, so this is what that's why guys I am doing this. Okay, so just cut this and just paste it. Just cut this and just paste it here in the li. Okay, so just copy to from here and paste it. So just cut it out and just replace this. Just cut it out and just replace this. Okay, and let's just remove this blank space. Okay, so now I hope this will look good. Now save your file, go to the browser, hit enter, hit anywhere. So you can see guys, boom guys, now it is looking cool. Okay, and dynamic also. So let's just give I guess give here the text left. Okay, I hope this will work. No, I guess we can't give class guys. Okay, so can we give class? Let me just check. Okay, can we give class? Can we give class, guys? Okay, I don't think we can give the class. Okay, so I don't think, guys, we can give class. Okay, guys, you can just find it. Okay, if we can give the class or not. Okay, and do let me know. Okay, so okay, so I guess we can uh, let me just check here if we can send left align this. So I want to left align. Okay, so I want it left aligned. So I'll say here text align, I'll give here left. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so we have to copy here this class. Okay, or we can copy this class. Okay, so copy this class from here, and inside our css give here the text align left. Okay, give important, save your file, go to the browser, cut this out, hit enter and hit anywhere. So see, boom, guys, now it is looking, guys, cool, state of the art. Okay, weather app using our react.js. Okay, so guys, let me just so we can see the error also. So just give here give here, guys, anything. Okay, I just showed you that this application is working fine. Okay, so I am teaching you since a long time, and I just showed you. Okay, give here Britain, hit enter. You can say see here, so Britain, US, temperature is -2 degrees Celsius, temperature is -2 degrees Celsius. So you can see here condition is broken clouds, humidity is 87%, wind speed is 1 meter per second, visibility is 10 kilometer, feels like -4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so guys, and just hit anywhere. You can see here Britain, US, temperature is this. Okay, so condition is okay, broken clouds, humidity is 87%, wind speed is 1 meter per second, visibility is this. Okay, feels like -4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you can see here temperature is 2 2. So just you can remove one. Okay, although both are different, so just remove one from here. Okay, so hit enter, hit anywhere. So you can see here now, guys, this is known as the state of the art. Okay, weather app in react.js. Okay, so let me just make it dynamic. So we will just remove this default value Goa from here, save your file, go to the browser, and guys, now search anything, any city name, any country name. Okay, whatever you remember. Okay, I don't remember any city name as of now because I'm coding, I'm teaching you, so my entire focus is here only. So I don't remember any city name. Okay, just give here any random text, it will show you the error. Okay, 404, city not found, please try again. So just give here, so I'll say here Punjab. Okay, Punjab, hit enter. You can see Punjab PK, 22 degrees Celsius, temperature is this, condition is clear sky. Okay, humidity is 13%, wind speed 2 meter per second, visibility 10 kilometer, feels like 21 degrees Celsius. I'll give here the Shimla. Okay, one of my favorite, okay, city in India. Okay, guys, it's my favorite city in India. Okay, so hit enter. You can see here Shimla, India, 9 degrees Celsius, condition is clear cloud. Okay, humidity is 43%, wind speed is 2 meter per second, visibility is 10 kilometer, feels like okay 9 degrees Celsius. Just give here Lonavala. You can see here Lonavala, India, 26 degrees Celsius. Okay, so condition is scattered clouds. Okay, humidity is 35%, wind speed is 3 meter per second, visibility is 10 kilometer, feels like 26 degrees Celsius. Okay, so guys, I hope, guys, I have explained you that how we can okay use the use a state, okay, hook, okay, to fetch something from the external API from the live server. Okay, so guys, we are fetching all the things from the live server from the external API. And guys, this is the API we are using here. Okay, I showed you here. So this is the API, open weather API I am using here in this video, in this session, to create okay, this state of the art weather app using react.js toast notification, or we can say here switch alert 2 as well. Okay, so you can see here it is fully dynamic and fully functional, guys. Okay guys, whatever you will show in the here also, you will be able to see here also. So this is fully functional and fully dynamic and fully state of the art, okay, weather app in react.js using the switch alert to notifications or pop-up, or we can say here those notifications as well. Okay, so give here the another city. I'm gonna search here Darbhanga, hit enter. You can see Darbhanga, India, 21 degrees Celsius. Give here Gaya. You can see here Gaya, India, 24 degrees Celsius. Condition is haze. Okay, humidity is 35%. Wind speed is 0 meter per second. Visibility is 5 kilometer. Feels like 24 degree Celsius. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you have learned something, and you have gained some knowledge from this video, from this session. Okay guys, still have you any guys, still you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys do let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely try to resolve it, and I will definitely try to give you the best possible solutions, best possible answer as well. Okay guys, if you have any, okay guys, if you have any suggestions, any feedback, okay, for my session, for my voice, for my okay video, then please guys, okay, do try to give me, do try to put it in the comment section below. I will definitely try to read it. I will definitely try to guys implement it from the next video, from the next session itself. Okay, so I hope guys you are enjoying my session, and you are learning something from this video, from this session as well. Okay, so I would like to guys request you now, please guys subscribe to my this YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, and you can watch them instantly, and you can learn from them also. And definitely guys, you will grow also professionally after watching my video, after watching my session. Okay, so guys, as we all know guys, that okay, Valentine Day week is coming. So okay, so guys, I would like to wish you guys, okay, that in this Valentine Day will be very cool and happy for you. Okay, so okay, so guys, once again, happy Valentine's big guys. Okay, so okay, so guys, please guys subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. Okay, and thank you guys for watching this video, for watching this session. Okay, and for watching my video. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned something. Okay, and you now know that how we can create the weather app using react.js toast notification, or the switch alert to pop up as well. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.